It might be the wine talking, but I'm inspired to use some of Rossella's Vin Santo to enrich a classic Italian dish that I absolutely love, Chicken Scaloppine. If you have a bottle of this in your cupboard, please try with Vin Santo, because this is going to give the sweetness to the chicken that you want, which is fantastic. And I'm also going to use capers. Capers, whenever you buy them in salt or in vinegar. For this recipe, I'm using the ones in brine. It's going to give a beautiful saltiness to the sweetness of the Vin Santo, and the chicken is going to be perfect. This is the kind of recipe that everybody will love. So, you need a frying pan, you got a breast of chicken. The first thing that I'm going to show you is I'm going to slice this in 2 escalopes, just like that, see? Scaloppine simply means thinly sliced cuts of meat. Okay? So that's what you get. It's like an angel wings, all right? Then we got the flour. Just normal flour will do the job. It's really important to season the flour with salt and black pepper. Okay, so the flour is seasoned to perfection. So you get the chicken, it goes straight in there, like this. Beautiful, look at that. Then wash my hands. Okay, plain olive oil goes into the frying pan, about 2 tablespoons. In there, we're also going to pour 1 knob of butter. And it's very important to put the butter and the oil together, because what's happening when the butter starts to melt, it's not going to burn it, because the oil is going to help the butter not to burn. Okay, so as soon as you see the butter starts to sizzle, very, very simple. You get your chicken breasts, that goes straight into the pan. Then remember the capers that I told you, the capers in salt, what you do? You very gently start to rinse the salt from the capers. Then you squeeze all the water and the salt from that, and the capers, they go straight into the pan, because we want to start to fry them into the oil and the butter. Next, I want to add a bit of color. I've got a little bit of chives, which I'm going to finely chop. Now, with the chives, I'm going to do 2 things. Half of it, I'm going to put in now, and the other half right at the end for freshness. And this is a little bit like the theme of today. Everything is nice and fresh. The wine that I've tasted so far has been amazing, but beautiful and fresh on the palate. And the chive is going to do exactly the same thing to the chicken. Okay, so you can see now that the chicken is ready. Probably going about a minute and a half to finish off cooking. So what you do, you get your Vin Santo, and you probably want about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Remember, this is going to flame. Ooh, look at that. If you don't have Vin Santo at home, you can use any other sweet white wine. Now, what's going to happen there? You see all this bubble going. Let the bubble go in, because what you want to do, you want to make sure that the alcohol goes away, but the flavor stays in there. Right at the end, 2 more knobs of butter, okay? And keep shaking the pans. That's what you want to do. Okay. This simple yet delicious chicken scaloppine is the epitome of quality over quantity, just like Tuscany. Sweet Vin Santo and fresh chives. I told you this would be easy. Look at that. There you have it. Pollo with Rossella's Vin Santo.